switch off the machine, the procedure is as follows. The B-Solid software is open right now. We have to close it on X. Hit X, B-Solid is closing. Once the B-Solid is closed, next step is going to be start, find WRT, then find kill WRT. Then we hit refresh and then process. And now we wait for everything to close. This is going to close every single software that's connected to the machine.
Is it usually pretty quick? A few minutes or a minute?
Maybe a minute, even less than a minute. Once this main window is closed, right now we are sure that everything is closed regarding the machine. Now we can just proceed with the normal shutdown like a regular PC.
Okay.
Start, shutdown, regular PC.
So does that shut down all of the electronics
No.
on the machine? No?
Once the PC is off, like now, we can go up to the transformer and we can kill the switch on the transformer.
This is the transformer?
Yep. Now everything is off on the machine.
Okay.
That's the procedure to switch off the machine.
Okay. And that's on the back side, kind of, to the right.
Yeah.